Okay. Reggie thinks it's funny to give Jackson
There, he got it.
cracker.
Good job, Reggie.
Reggie, no, you don't have any crackers.
job,
Oh, you
I
have
know.
another one to give him?
No.
Oh, Daddy, get her another couple crackers. Are you sharing? Look at, she's holding it out.
Jax.
Say Jax.
Jax. Jax.
Is that funny?
Pretty good stuff, you guys.
You got some more for him? Hey, Reggie. Can you show Grandma how you wave? Can you wave? Wave. Can you show Grandma how you wave? There you go. Good girl. Yay! Yeah.